We're gonna go in the streets of Hong Kong and shoot with the Pro 2 to get some unique frames. Alright guys, we're gonna go in the streets of Hong Kong. We're gonna use the Pro 2 iSteady and we're just gonna film some cinematic shit, alright? Alright guys, so we're going to show you one of the modes of the iSteady Pro 2. We're going to have it on the first mode. All you have to do is turn on the gimbal and it goes straight to the first mode. On the first mode, the pan is not going to be locked, but the tilt will be locked. And we're going to show you how to do this cinematic shot right here. We're going to get this building right behind us. And we're going to use the first mode to see what we can do as a cinematic video.
Nice. Much better, bro.
Practice. Now we're gonna shoot another shot here in the same street. I'm gonna walk across this street and I'm gonna hold the gimbal very, very close to the ground and I'm gonna have my arm very, very stiff, okay? Now let's go.
Where do we go?
We go to the ferry. We go to the ferry. Right here we have a nice market streetway and I want to do a hyperlapse, which is going straight between these market stores. So let's try it out with the Pro 2. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have the Pro 2 mode to all lock, meaning all the axis panels are gonna be locked to one position that you want to get it to. We only have two more modes to go over. One of them is the roll axis and the other one is the sports mode. To get to the roll axis, you have to hit the mode button 4 times. Now that it's all follow mode, we can go ahead and just be creative with the roll follows. Now we're gonna go look for another location so I can find another transition for the previous clip. We're testing the sports mode. To do the sports mode, you just gotta hold the trigger in the back and then move the gimbal as fast as you can, down, up, left, right. But make sure you're always holding the trigger button. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video and learned a little bit in how to use the Hohem iSteady Pro 2. I went ahead and left the link below to their website if you want to go and purchase your own gimbal. So guys, stay tuned and I will see you soon.